to my channel. We got a brand new unboxing, the latest Apple Watch. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please stick around with me and support the channel, and let's get started. All right, here we have it. Series 7 right here, guys. Okay, let's get started. When we do this, get this out of the way. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and support the channel. Here we go. Good looking watch. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, there we go. All right, get this over here. This band. Let's have a look. Sports band, graphite. Let's get this. I got the midnight. Let's see, guys, have the midnight. Right, here we have it, guys. There we go. Pretty nice, good material from Apple. All right, this is just a little spare one. But here's the one. We're gonna have a look. Right, put this later on together. All right, here's the main guy. Brand new Apple Watch. There we go, guys. Let's have a look. Designed by Apple in California. All right. Very good, not bad. And here's our charger. Right, here's the Apple Watch, guys. There we go. Here's our Apple Watch. And it's the 45mm. Not bad. All right. Let's get this baby out. There we go, guys. All right, very neat. Really enjoy it. All right, we're gonna charge it. Be right back with you guys. Stay tuned. Let's get the baby's charged. Here we go, guys. Now we got the watch all set up. You guys can see everything. As we speak, got it all set up and looks okay. Now there's the Apple Watch Series 7. Hope you guys enjoy this little unboxing. Not the best, but hope you guys enjoy, guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by and support the channel. You guys have a great one, and I'll see you on the next unboxing. Thank you.